How to upload story on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to upload story on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Signal app on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Signal, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you're logged in, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see this option for add a story or my story. Tap on plus icon. Now click on photo or text story. If you want to put photo on a story, tap on photo or videos and browse to the gallery that you want to add as your story. And once you select the folder, tap on open. After you click on open, click on post. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna post a story on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.